Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Honda CBR300R. This is the awesome metallic orange model. Only 364 miles on this beautiful 2016. It's in mint condition. Come on by and make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $39.99. This one is not going to be here long. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.